Hi, this is Carly from thatlowcarblife.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cheesy baked chicken pesto. It's so easy, it's ready in about 30 minutes, and it turns out so flavorful. Your entire family is going to love it, and no one is even going to realize that it's low carb. We're going to start with some pounded out chicken breasts so that they're all the same thickness, and then you'll pour in a half cup of jarred or homemade pesto sauce and just give it all a stir. You want to coat the chicken so that every bit of it is covered in that flavorful pesto sauce. Spray a baking dish with nonstick spray and then arrange the chicken breasts in an even layer. Sprinkle the chicken breasts with a little bit of salt and pepper, and you really don't need to add any other spices or seasonings thanks to that pesto sauce. And then start sprinkling on a little bit of cheese. I use mozzarella and Parmesan, but you can use whatever mix of cheese that you like. This just makes the chicken a little bit more creamy and adds a little bit of flavor. Next, you'll want to toss in some halved cherry tomatoes. These are going to roast and add so much flavor. This chicken recipe cooks in about 30 minutes. It comes out juicy, flavorful, and it's really perfect for any busy weeknight. Serve it up with some cauliflower rice or a side salad, and you've got a great dinner that your entire family is going to love. For this recipe and more, check thatlowcarblife.com.